Hi everybody, so welcome to Colorful Threads. I am Juliet and today is an update on the room. Oh, it's been so hot. So today is an update on where I'm at with the room. So it is Sunday and the contractor is coming on Tuesday to start the rip out. But here's what it looks like. Everything is empty. So we're going to be ripping out the closet. That's going to go away completely because this is going to be a wall of shelving. We're going to be ripping out the window, putting a whole brand new window in with a new AC unit. I have it here. I got my lighting already. I was told to wait on the window until they measure and tell me what size to get. And the room is empty. It hasn't been this empty since I moved in. We're going to be ripping out all of the ceiling tiles, which is this like pressed cardboardy kind of weird stuff. That's going to get redone. We're ripping out all of the walls are coming out of the entire room because we're going to be repairing any studs that are upright. All the flooring is coming out. We're repairing any of the studs underneath there and then redoing everything. It has been quite the journey with pulling out all of the stuff that was in here because everything has been in this room basically since I moved in 5 years ago. I just threw it in here and left, and then got really busy with training all the new people that were coming into the embroidery world. Now that all of that has kind of slowed down, I have time to get back to this and get it done. So in total, I have filled the trash can 4 times with absolute trash. I've filled the recycle bin 3 times and eliminated a total of 10 totes that are now completely, all of the broken ones are now trashed and gone. So I'm super excited about this room and getting it all redone so that I have an actual supply room where I can come in and grab the things that I need to do whatever project it is I want to do that day. So thanks for stopping by. Give me a thumbs up if you are keeping track of what's going on, and we'll see you at the next video, which will probably be something about the rip out. We'll see. Talk to you guys later. Bye.